Morning. Another episode of fried chicken recipe. There's no chicken. Been seasoned since Friday. And there's my cooker.
I've wasted a lot of time and energy being uptight. It's easy to wake up in the middle of the night and find something to worry about. A lot of people these days, like the others,
Battered
they put
egg.
4 houses down on the other side of the street. I spent 2 years.
I'm gonna season the flour.
When your circumstances are up,
Yep.
and when you're down, you're stable, you're consistent, you're interested.
Early settings. I don't know why my camera is so blurry. Maybe it's because of the heat. I don't know why my camera is giving me this blur. Look, okay, there it is, the focus. It's a lot of chicken. So it's gonna be a family Sunday dinner. So it's my fish. It's an amateur video, but I do know my cooking. I've been cooking from a tender age. My dad always said to me, make sure you learn how to cook. That's no woman can't take a step by you. Learn. But yeah, so learned at an early age. And the compliments have been coming in a lot. Homemade French fried chicken. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. They're getting their brown. And they are being brown. A few of it is out the pot. Part 2 of the fried chicken. One more look again at what has been prepared already. Second set is being browned. Now, as I said, I'm new to this YouTube vlogging, but you know, it starts out rocky and then it ends up good for a lot of persons. So I'm just trying it out. As you can see, some of what I've already fried. My butter, and I have one piece remaining. Fruits. Yep. 2 pieces remaining. I think I'm gonna end the video now, but I want to thank all of those who